Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma Azad. This is Devi Sarojini. Now I will discuss about calibration parameters for the UV visible spectrophotometer. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Next one, control of absorbance. For this, you will prepare 0.005 molar sulfuric acid. First, you will take 100 ml volumetric flask and fill off with water. Add 2.8 ml concentration sulfuric acid. Add 2.8 ml concentration sulfuric acid. Dissolve and dilute the volume with water. Transfer 1 ml of this solution into a 100 ml of volumetric flask. Dissolve and dilute the volume with water. Next, you will prepare potassium dichromate solution. Take about 200 mg of potassium dichromate into a weighing bottle and heat at 130 degrees centigrade in an oven for 2 hours. Cool it in a desiccator. Transfer accurately weighed about 120 mg. Transfer accurately weighed about 120 mg in a 100 ml volumetric flask containing 50 ml of 0.005 molar sulfuric acid. Shake the flask well to dissolve potassium dichromate completely. Make up the volume with 0.005 molar sulfuric acid. Dilute 5 ml of the above solution to 100 ml with 0.005 molar sulfuric acid. Operate the UV spectrophotometer according to the SOP on operation and use the 0.005 molar sulfuric acid solution as a blank. Stand the potassium dichromate solution between regions 200 to 400 nm and measure the absorbance at 235 nm, 257 nm, 313 nm and 350 nm. For this, the maximum tolerance will be like this. For 235 nm wavelength, the maximum tolerance 122.9 to 126.2. For 257 nm wavelength, the maximum tolerance would be 142.8 to 146.2. For the wavelength 313 nm, the maximum tolerance would be 47.0 to 50.3. For the wavelength 350 nm, the maximum tolerance would be 105.6 to 109.0. And finally, for the wavelength 430 nm, the maximum tolerance would be 15.7 to 16.1. Here you will notice that here for 430 nm wavelength, the preparation of potassium dichromate current, a small difference is there. Here we will take 57.0 to 63.0 mg of potassium dichromate into 100 ml of 0.005 molar sulfuric acid for 430 nm wavelength. Here, this is a small difference for the 430 nm wavelength. The preparation of potassium dichromate has a little difference when compared with all the above wavelengths 235 nm, 357 nm, 313 nm, 350 nm. All these wavelengths are solution B. From 430 nm solution A, we will prepare this solution. So we will call 430 nm potassium dichromate solution. We will name it solution A. For the 235 nm, 257 nm, 313 nm, 350 nm, this is called as solution B. Solution B comes from solution A. Here we notice that here it is a small important thing. This one is small important thing. Next one, limit of sterilite. Dry about 3 grams of potassium chloride at 105 degrees for 1 hour. Cool in a desiccator to room temperature. Weigh accurately 1.2 gram of the dried potassium chloride and transfer it into a 100 ml volumetric flask. Dissolve with sufficient water and make up to the mark with the same water. Mix thoroughly. Operate the UV spectrophotometer according to the SOP on operation and use water as a blank. Remove the cell from the sample compartment. Rinse the cell in the potassium chloride solution. Fill it with the same. Clean the smooth surfaces with tissue paper and place it in the sample compartment like above procedure. Measure the absorbance at 200 nm. Acceptance criteria. The acceptance criteria should be more than 2. Here we prepare for KCl solution. Uh, Weigh accurately 1.2 gram of the dried potassium chloride and transfer it into a 100 ml volumetric flask and dissolve with sufficient water and make up to the same water. So the preparation is like this. Next one, resolution power. Resolution power, we will prepare 0.02% of toluene in hexane solution. Dilute 2 ml of toluene to 20 ml. Dilute 2 ml of toluene to 20 ml with hexane. Further dilute 0.1 ml of the above solution to 50 ml with hexane. Further dilute 0.1 ml of above solution to 50 ml with hexane. Operate the UV spectrophotometer according to the SOP and operation and use hexane as a blank. Record the spectrum in the range 260 to 275 nm of 0.02% of toluene in hexane. Calculate the ratio of the absorbance at the maxima at 269 nm to that at the minimum at 266 nm. Next, I hope you understand clearly. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Thank you everybody.